If you've ever updated your WordPress site, maybe you changed some text, added a cool new image, or tweaked your layout, hit update, and then nothing changed on your live site, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix WordPress not showing changes on your live site, using straightforward steps that work in 2026 and beyond. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to force your website to show the latest version to everyone, every time. Let's dive right in. The number one culprit behind changes not appearing instantly on a WordPress site is caching. Now, caching sounds fancy, but all it means is your site, or your browser, is holding on to an old snapshot of your content to make things load faster. That's usually a great thing. But when you want to see your recent updates, it's more like trying to read a newspaper from last week. Let's start with the simplest fix, a hard refresh of your browser. What a hard refresh does is it clears out just the current browser's temporary storage for your site and grabs all of the latest files, styles, and images straight from your web server. If you're on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus F5. If you're on a Mac, use CMD plus Shift plus R for most browsers, or Option plus CMD plus E on Safari. Take a deep breath here. Sometimes it feels like nothing's changing. But after a hard refresh, you should see your latest edits. If you do, congrats. Sometimes the browser itself was simply holding on to the old version. If not, keep going. Next, let's look at your WordPress caching plugins. These are super common. Think WP Rocket, Lightspeed Cache, W3 Total Cache, or maybe even an all-in-one tool like Jetpack. Caching plugins store and serve up site content quickly, but occasionally they serve an outdated version to everyone, not just you. Log into your WordPress admin area and look for a Purge All Caches or Clear Cache button. This is usually right in the top admin bar, but sometimes you'll find it in the plugin's own settings page. If you build pages with Elementor and don't see updates, try heading to Elementor Tools and click Regenerate CSS and Data. This will rebuild your page's style sheet from scratch. Give it a few moments, especially on bigger sites. It's normal if it takes half a minute or so. Now, if caching plugins didn't do the trick, let's check the next layer. Your hosting and CDN. Many hosts like SiteGround, Bluehost, or WP Engine have their own cache built in at the server level. That means even if you purge the cache inside WordPress, the host might still be serving an older version. Log into your hosting dashboard, cPanel, hPanel, whatever your host provides, and look for an option labeled Flush Cache or something like Cache Manager if you use a CDN like Cloudflare. This is an extra layer on top that speeds up how your site is served around the globe. Here, you'll want to log into your CDN dashboard and use the Purge Everything button, which will force every location worldwide to clear out their old snapshots of your site. If after all this your changes still aren't showing, don't worry, it's time to check for a few other potential causes. First, double-check that you actually saved your changes. Sometimes it's as simple as forgetting to click Update or Publish in the page editor. Next, make sure you're viewing the live, public site and not an old staging environment or a test page. If you recently moved your WordPress site to a new host, DNS changes can sometimes take up to 48 hours to reach everyone. So a little patience can go a long way here. Lastly, check if your updates are set to draft or private instead of public. This will prevent them from showing up for regular visitors. And that's it. By following these steps thoughtfully, you'll be able to troubleshoot WordPress not showing changes and keep your site fresh and up to date for every visitor. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Drop your questions or share your experience in the comments. I always read them and love to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more handy WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.